So this is the second video of the Redwood Outdoors hot tub sealing issue. Since the last video, I have replaced some of the damaged staves or warped staves with new ones that were shipped. And I've had to caulk the floor because the gap between the floor and the staves was just too great. So now you can see I've gotten it to hold a lot more water. As expected, the sides are now leaking. For the most part, it's doing pretty well. You can see some staves, like this one here, show no leaking whatsoever. This one shows a minor weep. I really don't think that'll be a problem. Other staves have some kind of unknown defect, and we have a real torrent of water coming out. So we have a big leak there, and we have a pretty big leak here. I really can't see a reason why that would be. All the others seem to seal well. Some other issues I've noticed are leaks that originate at the knots. This is supposed to be clear cedar, so there shouldn't be any knots here, but water's leaking there. Likewise, we have water leaking from this knot and this knot. So anyway, I just filled this about an hour ago, so we will see over the course of the next few days, the next week, what happens. Two other issues I noticed is on this particular stave, we have two different patterns of cut. It appears the radii don't match up. This is how it should look. This is obviously not correct. And then we have an issue over here where we have a very large gap, and it turns out it's because this stave was not cut straight. So it'll be hard to show with the camera. Let me try to zoom in. You can see this edge is straight. This one tapers back, starting about here. Starting about here. So you can see that a leak is gonna develop here. So if I have water above the top 8 inches, it's just gonna leak out immediately.